Farm to Future. Our team ID is 58261. Our problem statement for SIS 2025 is improved onion storage technology for increasing the shelf life of onions. As we know, onions are one of the most important crop in India. They are not just a staple in our kitchen but also plays a big role in our economy. From daily household cooking to big scale food industries, onions hold a special place. But every year, a large percentage of onions, around 40%, gets spoiled due to poor environmental and storage facilities. This not only affects the farmer's income but also plays a big role in market fluctuations. So our aim is to design a IoT-based simple system which can monitor and control the environmental factors and it can increase the shelf life of onions. Now our teammate Harshit will tell you more about the technical approach.
Let me explain the technical approach. Here we are using ESP8266 as our microcontroller that would control DHT22 MQ135 gas sensor and our fans and our storage facility foggers. तो हम टेम्परेचर एंड ह्यूमिडिटी को डिटेक्ट करने के लिए DHT22 का यूज़ कर रहे हैं, जो अगर ह्यूमिडिटी कम हो जाएगी या ह्यूमिडिटी बढ़ जाएगी एक लेवल से ऊपर तो वो फोगर्स को चालू कर देगा और बंद कर देगा अकॉर्डिंग टू द नीड. एंड अगर हमारा टेम्परेचर टू हाई हो गया तो टू मेंटेन द टेम्परेचर ESP8266 will control the fan speed according to the need and maintain the temperature in our storage facility. So as imagine if onions got rotten or sprouting, it produce gases like ammonia etc. तो जो हमारा MQ135 सेंसर है वो अमोनिया को डिटेक्ट करेगा अगर एक लेवल से ऊपर हो जाएगी एंड इट वुड प्रोवाइड अ अलर्ट टू आवर फार्मर्स ऑन देयर लोकल लैंग्वेज via SMS support and dashboard support. We are using Blink dashboard for online interactive support for our farmers, and we would use servers to maintain the data if there is no internet at a time in our facility. What makes our project unique and innovative in technical industry? We don't need to build storage facility from scratch. Instead, we can modify the pre-existing storage facilities and upgrade them. We would use better encapsulated racks for better ventilation in our onion storage facility. हम जो सोलर पैनल अपनी फैसिलिटी में यूज़ करेंगे वो प्रधानमंत्री सूर्यघर योजना के तहत इम्प्लीमेंट किए जाएंगे. भारत में सालाना अराउंड 30 से 40% अनियन वेस्ट होता है, जिसे हम अपने प्रोजेक्ट के द्वारा कम करके 10 से 15% तक ले आएंगे. With our project, it would help us reduce the total manual charges per year used in our storage facilities. Now my teammate Harsh will tell you more about our project.
अगर हम मार्केट में अनियन का प्राइस 20 रुपीज़ पर केजी मान के चलें तो अगर एक फार्मर के पास 100 क्विंटल का स्टोरेज है तो नॉर्मली उसमें से 40% वेस्ट होता है, तो हमारी इनकम लगभग 1,20,000 हो गई. अगर हम IoT प्रोजेक्ट का यूज़ करेंगे तो उसमें से 15% तक वेस्ट होगा, तो हम लगभग उसमें से इनकम जनरेट करेंगे 1,70,000. तो पर फार्मर इनकम इंक्रीजमेंट होगा 50,000 का.
Our project has the potential to create significant impact on multiple levels. By reducing post-harvest losses as improved onion storage technology, farmers will be able to secure their future. Consumers will benefit from this as they will get stable prices in the market. This will save the economy from massive losses and it will make India a leading onion exporter in the world.
We are Team Farm to Future.
Together we reduce the wastage,
Increase the income and secure the farmers tomorrow.